Leaving a wire in a patient is something that no one expects they're going to do. And it's times like in the middle of the night when you're really tired that you're going to be most likely to make mistakes like that. And for me, I think the WireSafe just means that you're less likely to make a mistake like that, or notice it earlier if you do, and probably be able to rectify it without too much intervention. So for me, I think that's a really useful tool.
As a junior doctor, I were to leave a guide wire in, it has significant implications. I have to be accountable for what I do, and it has a lot of sort of emotional impacts and things like that, because it can be, I'd find it very traumatic if I did leave a guide wire in a patient. And also for the patient itself, leaving a guide wire in has significant risks of complications. The guide wire can migrate all the way through the vasculature, needing you to have vascular surgery, or it can cause perforations, can curl up and cause significant complications. So by using the WireSafe and ensuring that the guide wire is removed prior to finishing the procedure, it ensures that patients are at a much lower risk of any of those happening to them.
Retained guide wires is quite a substantial problem. There is actually an incidence of 1 in 3,000 procedures, so it is quite a big problem, not just in the NHS but all over the world. So we tried to develop a solution to prevent this error, and that's when we created the WireSafe. It's an engineered solution to a never event, and we wanted to do something that not only prevents the error but also helps the doctor to do their job in the safest possible way. So it's a procedure pack that has the suture holder, and antimicrobial dressings situated inside the device. Now, in order to get access to that, you have to use the guide wire as a key to open the box itself, and that gives you the equipment that you need to complete the procedure.
It will ensure that you don't actually leave the guide wire in the patient, because once you've finished putting the central line in, you will then have to take the guide wire out to get access to the rest of your equipment that you need to finish the procedure. So it ensures that actually by using it and having it part of your normal equipment, you can't leave the guide wire in the patient, because you have to take it out to finish the procedure. Introducing it has been really, really straightforward. And actually we've found that it's not taking any longer to do the procedure with the WireSafe at all. In fact, it's taking slightly less time to dispose of sharps and things like that.
The WireSafe is easy to introduce into clinical practice. We designed it to be easily implementable, and so all of the equipment is there for the clinician when they're inserting the central line. This makes it not only easy to use when you want to get access to the equipment inside it, but it also means that you can dispose of all the sharps that, from your procedure inside the sterile box, and then dispose of the guide wire as well, easily and conveniently.
The Oxford AHSN are going to be supporting this innovation by providing a clear project structure and helping our partner trusts overcome any potential barriers to clinical adoption of the innovations.
With the WireSafe, while it's not feasible to undertake clinical studies, simulation studies have demonstrated that it absolutely does prevent the never event of retained guide wires. And as an AHSN, we want to bring that benefit to patients within our region and ensure that clinical teams have access to this device to prevent these never events.